Today I will experience it. How to wire a straight-in connector. Remove the connector shell and nut. Peel off the cable jacket 22 mm long. The bare wire is 8 mm. Twist the bare wires into a bundle carefully to ensure neatness and no burrs. Pick up the connector body. Press to open the internal baffle. Insert the sorted core into the bottom. Release the baffle. The core is firmly fixed. Then connect the cores one by one into the corresponding positions. The process is easy. Put it back into the shell and lock it. The connector has its own sealant, which can effectively protect the internal connection. Finally, tighten the nut. The cable is firmly fixed. This is done. If I were to leave a review, I'd give it 2 stars without hesitation.